The kitchen is the heart of every home, and in 2026, it's not just about cooking, it's about style, functionality, and smart design. If you're planning a remodel or want to update your kitchen, you need to know the trends that blend elegance with practicality. Today, we'll share must-see kitchen design trends and remodeling ideas straight from a home builder, so you can create a modern, luxurious, and functional kitchen for 2026. Open layouts and functional spaces. Open-plan kitchens remain a top trend. In 2026, kitchens are designed to flow seamlessly into living or dining areas, creating a sense of space and connectivity. Large islands or breakfast bars not only act as prep areas but also encourage social interaction, making the kitchen a hub for family gatherings and entertaining guests. Modular and smart storage solutions. Clutter-free kitchens are a must. Modular cabinetry and smart storage solutions are trending in 2026, with pull-out racks, corner carousels, hidden drawers, and vertical organizers. These designs maximize space, keep essentials organized, and ensure that your kitchen remains efficient and visually appealing. High-tech appliances and smart kitchens. Technology is transforming modern kitchens. Smart ovens, induction cooktops, touchless faucets, and connected refrigerators are becoming essential in 2026 kitchens. These innovations make cooking easier, save energy, and maintain a sleek, modern look, giving homeowners both convenience and luxury. Material trends and durable surfaces. Material choice is crucial for both aesthetics and longevity. In 2026, engineered stone countertops, high-quality laminates, and durable wood or matte finishes dominate. These materials are not only stylish but also resistant to scratches, stains, and heat, ensuring your kitchen looks pristine for years to come. Color palettes and finishes. Kitchen color trends in 2026 focus on neutral tones, soft pastels, and natural textures, often paired with bold accent walls or cabinetry. Matte finishes, two-tone combinations, and metallic accents create a modern, elegant look that balances sophistication with warmth. Coordinating colors with flooring, countertops, and backsplashes ensures a cohesive and stylish design. Statement islands and multipurpose surfaces. Kitchen islands are no longer just functional, they're statement pieces. In 2026, islands often feature built-in storage, prep areas, seating, or even integrated appliances. Choosing a contrasting color or material for the island can make it a visual centerpiece, while maintaining practicality for daily use. Backsplashes and accent walls. Modern kitchens in 2026 embrace minimalist, high-end backsplash designs. Sleek tiles, natural stone, or textured panels create a polished and elegant backdrop. Accent walls behind cooking zones or islands add dimension and style, giving your kitchen a luxurious, contemporary feel. Lighting trends. Layered lighting is essential for modern kitchens. Ambient ceiling lights, task lighting under cabinets, and pendant lights over islands ensure both functionality and aesthetic appeal. In 2026, lighting is also used to highlight features like textured backsplashes, cabinetry, or islands, creating a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Eco-friendly and sustainable choices. Sustainability is becoming a priority. Eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and water-saving fixtures are trending in 2026. These choices make your kitchen modern, environmentally conscious, and long-lasting, without compromising style or functionality. Modern kitchens in 2026 combine style, smart design, and functionality. From open layouts and modular storage to high-tech appliances and luxury finishes, every element works together to create a space that is both beautiful and practical. For premium kitchen design ideas, remodeling solutions, and modern interior inspiration, visit fixitdubai.ae, your trusted source for contemporary home interiors and luxury kitchen.